Good morning. This is Greg at the Pocatello National Weather Service office with the Southeast Idaho Weather Hazard Briefing for Friday, July 12th. Okay, looking at the water vapor satellite imagery loop, we do have a high pressure over the Four Corners area, and we're going to see increased monsoonal moisture drift north on the opposite side of that high on southwest flow into southeast Idaho. So we are expecting showers and thunderstorms today through the weekend, off and on, mainly in the afternoons and evenings, although we do actually have some showers this morning in eastern Idaho. And looking at the radar loop, we can see those isolated storms in the upper Snake Highlands, eastern Highlands, pushing into northwestern Wyoming. The brunt of the activity is going to come later this afternoon and evening, and that will be the trend for the next 3 days at least. The brunt of the storms are going to be generally in the central mountains, into the eastern Highlands today. And tomorrow looks like it's going to be the most widespread day. We expect thunderstorms even in the lower elevations tomorrow. And again, that will be the most widespread day for thunderstorms on Saturday. As we go to get into Sunday, we are going to have a trough push east, mainly north here into Montana, and we are expecting stronger winds throughout the day, especially in the central mountains. And the thunderstorms are going to continue again, mainly in the mountains on Sunday. So, again, the main impacts for the next several days, especially for fire weather purposes, are going to be potential fire starts with isolated to scattered thunderstorms, especially on Saturday when we think it's going to be the most widespread. And then winds on Sunday will also be an issue. Wind gusts today, generally outside of thunderstorms, could see some 10 to 20 mile per hour gusts, highest in the higher elevations in the central mountains. Saturday, again, a bit stronger. Could see some gusts approaching 25 miles per hour. Again, mainly high elevations, peaks in the central mountains. Any thunderstorm will produce wind outflow gusts of 30 miles per hour or greater, but for the most part, generally 10 to 20 miles per hour. Again, Sunday, we're looking at the strongest winds of the next 3 days. Could see widespread 25 to 35 mile per hour gusts in the central mountains, and again 15 to 25 mile per hour gusts in the Snake River Plain and southern and eastern Highlands. So we are expecting the strongest winds on Sunday. General thunderstorms today over the entire area. I think that the most widespread will be in the mountains, get towards the Montana border. And on Saturday, we do have a marginal risk, especially across Lemhi County, into Blaine or into Custer County. Marginal risk, and again, just general thunderstorms across the entire rest of the area. The hot conditions are going to continue as well. High temperatures, low to mid 90s in the lower elevations. Mid 70s to mid 80s in the higher elevations, and that trend will continue Saturday. Again, a very warm day. High temperatures, just like today, mid 90s in the low elevations, mid 80s in the high elevations. Could see a bit of a cool down with that wave passing to the north on Sunday. High temperatures dropping to right around 90 in the low elevations and 70s to low 80s in the mountains. A quick 1 to 2 week outlook as we get into the latter part of July. The trend is calling for near normal temperatures and precipitation, a better chance of below normal precipitation as well. So that concludes the briefing. Again, the main impacts, especially for fire weather, are going to be the isolated to scattered thunderstorms today through Sunday. I think Saturday will be the most widespread day. Potential red flag conditions where the fuels are critical, mainly in the Snake River Plain. We could see scattered thunderstorm activity. And then Sunday, we will also have a wind impact as well, with wind gusts of 25 to 35 miles per hour possible in Sunday afternoon, especially high elevations of the Central Mountains. So, again, a fairly active period. If you have any questions, call us at the number listed here 24 hours a day, or go to our website listed at the bottom. Thank you, and everyone have a nice day.